Hi friends, welcome back to Mangalorean Taste Buds by Asha. Today I'll show you how I make a humble vegetable sandwich. Sandwiches are good for any time of the day. They are delicious, they are easy, and they are saviors in times of deep hunger. You can make it as simple as you want or get creative. A sandwich will never disappoint you. Sandwiches are wonderful, easy to make, and always filling and easy to eat. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this recipe of mine, do give a thumbs up and click the like button. If you have tried the recipe, please leave a comment in the comment section below. So let's check out the ingredients. This sandwich, we call it train sandwich because whenever we travel by train, Bombay, Mangalore, you can see hawkers selling these sandwiches and someone or the other eating it. So my boys have named it train sandwich. So let's see how I make it. Here I have taken two slices of bread. You can use any bread of your choice, multigrain, brown. Apply butter lavishly. Apply green chutney. I have given the link in the description box below. Then arrange slices of cucumber. You can be as generous as you want with the vegetables, but the train sandwich has only cucumber and tomatoes in it. Arrange slice of tomato, just one or two are fine, but if you want a more filling sandwich you can add more. Sprinkle some chaat masala on it and cover it. If you wish you can grill it, toast it in the sandwich maker, but this is how it is usually served in the trains. Canteen sandwich is similar to the train sandwich but with the addition of potatoes. This is called canteen sandwich because this was always available in a college canteen. They would add a slice of potato it, and I had the habit of asking a slice of potato. He would sprinkle some chaat masala on it and give it to me. I still have memories of that. I have taken two slices of bread, apply butter lavishly on the slices. Butter helps the bread stay fresh. Add chutney and then arrange cucumber slices as much as you want. If you want more filling, you can add more vegetables. Add tomato slices. I just add rings of onions because I feel it is too much otherwise. Sprinkle some chaat masala on it and then arrange slices of potato. I like to cut the potato into thick slices because it brings out the flavor and taste of the sandwich. Sprinkle some more chaat masala on the potato slices. Cover it and serve it. This is how they would serve it in the canteen. But as I said, you can always grill it or toast it and have it. I hope you like both this sandwich recipe of mine. Do give it a try. I'm sure you too will enjoy this humble sandwich. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to click the bell icon to get notified as and when I upload a new recipe. The list of ingredients is given in the description box below. So, my dear friends, hope you have enjoyed this quick and yummy recipe. Stay tuned for more such interesting recipes. Till we meet again, check out my other recipes at Mangalorean Taste Buds by Asha. Bye, see you soon with the new interesting recipe. Take care.